Congratulations on your purchase of the Mygate Smart Lock. Great job on making the upgrade. Heads up, firstly, we strongly recommend that you get the lock installed by a Mygate technician or a skilled carpenter. Secondly, check for two specifications. Make sure that the thickness of your door is between 35 mm to 65 mm. Do a quick check to make sure everything's in place. So, what's in the box? The user manual, the outside panel, the inside panel, the mortise, installation accessories, striking plate, latch box, installation guide, manual keys, IC cards, trust card, battery pack, cleaning cloth. Now, let's get it up and running with a quick walkthrough of the installation process. Now connect the back panel cable with the front panel cable. Insert batteries in the back slot of your smart lock. If the numbers light up on the front panel and you hear an audio prompt, your lock is ready to be installed. We strongly advise that you keep the shrink wrap intact until the end of the process to prevent dust from accumulating on the lock. Now for the installation. You will need the standard tools: a drill machine, a wood chisel, screwdrivers, a hammer, a hacksaw, and pliers. Step 1. Detach the old mortise lock on your door if it is present. Check for the direction in which your door opens. The lock is equipped with reversible handles to suit both left and right-handed doors. If you want to switch the direction of the lock with respect to the door, please adhere to the following. The first step is to unscrew the handle of the back panel. The screws are present in the cavity directly opposite to the handle. Next, rotate the handle to face the other way and fasten the screws again. The final step is to reconfigure the direction of the latch for either the inward output configuration or output inward. To change the direction of the latch, press the protrusion next to the latch and rotate by 180 degrees. Position the drilling template on the door to the desired lock placement. Now proceed to create holes and grooves in line with the template. While doing so, attempt to arrive at the best fit for the motors by checking a few times. After the required space has been created, insert the mortise and fasten the screws. Attach the spindle to the appropriate slot on the front of the device by pressing the button provided. Now, attach the front panel to the door by running the connection cable through the rectangular cavity and then connect the front panel cable. Once the two cables are attached, fasten the back panel. The spindle should align perfectly between both panels. Fasten the screws tightly in order to hold the lock in place. Use the mechanical key to confirm if the lock has been placed properly. If you have achieved alignment, the dead bolts should engage naturally. Finally, install the batteries and the battery cover. And we are done. Your Mygate Smart Lock is now ready to use. Happy, smarter living.